This is how to set the time and date on your Peugeot 2008. This is a 2014-2015 model. We're just going to be using the stuff on the screen today, and we're going to change that time there. So over here on the left, we've got the menu button. So you go menu, settings, blue square, and then time and date. And then adjust the time, adjust the date. So just tap the time, and you can do that. 16:36. Confirm. Adjust the date, same again. Confirm. Now you've got your 12 and 24-hour option there, so it goes to PM, AM, back to 24-hour. If you've got your satellite synchronization on, it should pick up off your DAB, and you should never actually have to change it. But if you do, this is how you do it, and you can change your time zone if you're going abroad or anything like that. Then just tap, once you're happy, just tap the confirm button, and then press your menu button, tap your radio, you're right back to the start. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.